everyone, I'm Ahana and I'm back again with another video. So this video is about fun facts on animals. Hope you enjoy.
Number 1. Snakes. Snakes do not blink. That's because they don't have eyelids, which is why they can't blink. Instead, they have a special feature which relieves you of eyelids. They are clear scales. The clear scales cover the eyes. Those clear scales protect the eye from injury and make sure they do not dry out.
Number 2. Jellyfish. If a jellyfish is kept outside the water, then they will vanish. Why? Because they are 98% made of water, so if kept outside, they will vanish into thin air. Number 3. Ostrich. An ostrich's eye is bigger than its brain.
Number 4. Panda cubs. Newborn pandas are smaller than a mouse. Since they are born furless, their skin is pink in color. Also, their limbs are so weak that they are unable to stand for 3 months straight.
Number 5. Hummingbirds. Hummingbirds are the only bird known who can fly backward. Number 6. The African monarch butterfly. The African monarch butterfly, or also known as the plain tiger butterfly, is a species of butterfly. It can produce a strong and effective poison to kill a cat. It has a wide spread over Africa, Asia, and Australia. The monarch butterflies are known to have 12,000 eyes. Also, the monarch butterflies are known to be the king of butterflies. Number 7. Fox. Foxes are known to make about 40 different sounds. Number 8. Deer. Deers with white tail use it to alert other deers for danger. Number 9. Raccoons. If a raccoon fails to escape from their predator, then they pretend to be dead. Number 10. Owls. There are over 200 species of owls around the world.
Hope you enjoyed and thank you for watching this video.